Guys, we really need to start an OnlyFans page. This is serious. This is crazy. We still haven't got it. We were supposed to do it like a couple months ago. My name's Abraham the Axe Gray, and these are my 10 essentials. So my first essential is probably pretty obvious to everybody. It's my axe. I carry it everywhere I go. That's why they call me the axe. And because of all the bullseyes I hit, you need this at all times. I even got an axe keychain.
That's a necklace.
A keychain? Oh. I said keychain. And my next essential is my phone. Whoa, damn, it rings all the time. Hold on one second. Hello? Yeah, I buy houses. Yeah, businesses too. I'm not naughty. Without my phone, I won't make. I gotta have my phone. I'm on Facebook all the time. I'm on my emails all the time. I'm on my phone talking to people. I'm listening to messages. I'm sending people messages. This phone you might think costs $700, $800, but this phone is worth millions and millions and millions of dollars because without it, I might be broke. My next essential is my wallet. Man, without my wallet, I can't go shopping, I can't do anything. Look how thick it is. Why is it so thick, you're probably wondering? Well, there's no cash in there, so don't rob me, but I'll tell you, I have a lot of damn credit cards. Every single business I have hundreds of businesses that all have different credit cards, and I gotta keep them on me in case I need to go shopping for that business. And my next essential, my house keys. Damn, where the hell? Whoa, where'd those come from? Why do I have so many keys? Because I have hundreds and hundreds and thousands of houses. And I have weird keys for, I don't know what house that goes to, that's weird. Remember my video about all the collateral I have? That's the key to get to it. I got keys for everything. I got keys for warehouses, my offices, retail spaces, my shopping centers, all the houses I buy. I have keys for everything. Without these keys, I'm locked out. I don't wanna get locked out, I'm going in. And the next essential thing is how'd that happen? Anyhow, I need this because I go to Jiu-jitsu at least 4 times a week. So don't mess with me. If you try to steal my wallet that has no cash in it, by the way, I'm gonna choke you out. The one important thing in Jiu-jitsu is as soon as people start tapping, you gotta let go or they're gonna go out. I'm telling you, that's the one important thing. Don't let people go. Give me my. Next essential item is my Tesla key. I can't go anywhere without my car, and the car won't start without my key. I think he's sleeping over there. You hear him snoring? By the way, if they go out, you just raise their legs, shake it a little bit, and they're fine. Don't worry about it. And my next essential thing are my swimming trunks. Every single night I try to get in jacuzzi and relax. I mean, it's the thing I need to do and it just clears my head, makes me feel so good every single day. So when I wake up in the morning, man, I'm so good because I slept like a baby. You know what goes with swim trunks? Water. I drink water all throughout the day. Man, this is good stuff. Oh, that's cold. This is pretty much all I drink is water. You'll never see me drinking Coke. Well, yeah, that's different though. We're talking about drinking. My next essential thing, let's see if anyone can guess. What do you think my next essential thing? So I just had my bathing suit on and I have water. What goes with bathing suits and water? Obviously, it's my flip-flops. I gotta have my flip-flops. This is how I get everywhere. Man, they're so comfortable. They're just in and out. I don't have to put my socks on, my shoes. Literally can just get up out of the bed, hop right into my flip-flops, and get the hell out of the house. Rain, snow, hurricanes, tornadoes, tsunamis, I don't give a shit. You're gonna find me in my flip-flops. This is not one of my essentials, but I'm getting pretty cold, and this guy over here is looking at me kind of weird. It's a little sus. I need to do something about that. So where's my clothes at? And finally, my last and most important final essential is my family. Look how cute they are. Look how, oh, it's upside down, sorry, 1 second. Look how cute, well, most of them are. I got my beautiful, supportive wife that does whatever I need her to do. I got my lovely kids that listen to me and behave so well. And we got Tia also. So these are my 10 essentials. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe. I don't say please, let's cut that one. I'm not naughty. So these are my 10 essentials. I don't know what yours are. Maybe we'll find out another day. No, that's stupid. So these are my 10 essentials. Like, subscribe, comment on other videos you want to see me make, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos going forward. Until next time, peace out.
Yo, Aaron, you forgot something.
Oh. Cut that. Cut it.